Welcome back for video 2 in our 3-part series on edition management in ArtCloud. In this video, we will take our sample dataset and create the requisite edition records and edition sets in ArtCloud. To prepare for this lesson, I have already added 5 of the 6 sets for edition title, the Neon Motel Pool. The only remaining set to be added is lithograph on paper, size small. Let's add that right now. We'll begin our journey by first logging into our ArtCloud account. From there, we confirm that we're in the Manager portion of our account, and then in the left-hand menu, we'll click the button Inventory. This takes us to our inventory dashboard, and in the top right-hand corner of the dashboard, you'll see a button Add Inventory. Please click it. This takes us to our Add Inventory form, or overlay. This is where we're going to go ahead and apply all of our data for this particular edition record. First, we'll start with an image of the artwork itself. We'll add our title, the Neon Motel Pool. And then pausing for a moment, a best practice when working with edition records and sets in ArtCloud is to go ahead and add sort of a parenthetical citation in the name around both the medium and the size of the work. This will make more sense in video 3 of our series. So for now, I'm just going to type in lithograph small. Again, this will make more sense later. Apply the artist name. Apply the medium, lithograph on paper. Apply the necessary dimensions. This work is 6 inches wide by 18 inches tall. A best practice here also is to confirm that you're using the appropriate units. We are an American-based gallery, so of course inches applies to our use case. We'll go ahead and update the date created, 2021, confirm the location of the work. This is going to be in our gallery. And then last, we're going to go ahead and update the price of the work itself, $400. Now that we've gotten the basics in place, it's time for the mission-critical decision about what edition type we are creating. For this particular combination, work, medium, and dimension, we're creating a limited edition series of 10 prints. Each of those prints will be a discrete edition record. To do that, we go ahead and go to the edition type drop-down field, open it, and change the value from original to limited. When we do that, you'll see a couple of extra fields. We'll change the edition count field to 10. That defines the set size. There are 10 prints within the set, and name this as edition number 1 within that set of 10. Next, we go ahead and click the button Add Edition. Before we do, please note, not only will this save the edition record itself, but ArtCloud will auto-generate the edition set based on this record. So when I click this button, you'll notice right up here under the gallery or the image summary, you'll see a new button appear. Let's go ahead and watch that now. And there it is, Edit Edition Set. So like I said, ArtCloud auto-generated an edition set off of the record. And now to access the set itself and add additional records to the set, we click this button. Let's go ahead and do that now. Now we're in the edition set. You can see a few things. You can see the 2 records we've already created. The first one is the named record we created, that edition 1 of 10. And then we have an additional placeholder. ArtCloud's auto doing this simply because we really need more than one edition record in any given set. Okay. So to go ahead and claim this, let's just go ahead and click into it and apply the number 2 to the field edition number. That'll name this particular record as print number 2 of 10. And you can see that in the name up here. Okay. We're going to go ahead and navigate back to the edition set. And then if we want to add a 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 10th record for this edition set, we'll click this blue button, Add New Edition. And since none of the other data is changing for this particular print, I'm simply going to place the number 3 in the edition number field for print number 3 of 10. ArtCloud is going to auto-save the information. I can navigate back to the edition set and see that we now have 3 individual records. I recognize that this process probably feels like a lot, but I promise that after a few times running through it, you'll realize it's quite simple. To help you along that path, I'll summarize the steps here. First, in the inventory dashboard, click Add Inventory. Second, fill out the requisite data like title, artist, medium, dimension, and price. Third, select your edition type, and if that selection is limited, apply the correct values to the edition count and number fields. 4. Click Add Edition to save the record and create the set simultaneously. And 5. Finish the job by entering the edition set you just created and add your remaining records. Follow these 5 steps anytime you want to create a new edition set in ArtCloud. It really is that easy. This concludes our second tutorial on editions management in ArtCloud. In our final video, we will again dive into the ArtCloud Manager platform to learn how to organize edition sets into edition titles, how to view the data in each tier, edition record, set, and title, and what all of this means for your ArtCloud website.